Good day. Um, I am just trying to think of sharing my office since I started posting video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so first is I bought this headset just to come up with a not so good but at least no audio. All right, and then honestly my main purpose is for my online class to have enough study materials and for them to just go to my YouTube channel and check the video. All right, and I then decided to to buy this ring light. Okay, right. So that's it. Because sometimes when I take video, the lights in my room is not so good, right? And then this is how it looks like. Okay, right. That's it. Okay, look at that. So this is my working place. This is a place wherein I tend to create videos for my C programming modules. And like I said, sooner when I'm done with this C programming, I'll be posting another programming language that I'm going to discuss and share it to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I started at 16 subscribers, and now after 7 months, I do have 1,200 plus subscribers now, and uh, I'm still hoping that I can be at 2,000 before 2020 ends. Okay, so that's it. On the other side, this is the view of my working place. Okay, so that's it. All right, just sharing my office, right? And this is for my online class. Okay, wherein I did some taping in here, but the rest of my video, like for example when I do video for my pets and some other personal activities of mine, that will be outside of my office, right? So very nice. Okay, so that's it. um that's me, by the way. Okay, so that's my ring light. Okay, so if you can see, when I discuss C programming language, that's actually my background. These are actually the memos and the instructions that I have, right? My office, and I just love this quote here: "Seek ye first the kingdom of God and all His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." Okay, just sharing this. Okay, that's the trophy of my department, the College of Computer Studies. Look at that. And when BITS was still active, we are also active at that. Okay, and in here I'd like to share that one, God is enough, and that one, that's me. There is also our trophies, right? And on that side is actually my PC for memorandums and other office works. Usually my working staff is taking charge of the encoding, right? So that's it. Okay, that's my new skin. By the way, these are my certificates and some pictures of my students. Okay, so that's it. Look at that. I have some. Actually, my room is air conditioned, but I did have this electric fan for my my laptop, just as a cooler. So this is the side view of my working place. That's it. Right. Then bang. Okay. So these are my videos. Okay. Just this morning I posted 2 videos for my C programming materials. The first one is a program that will tend to determine whether the entered value is an alphabet, digit, or special character, right? And my second video is on program that will compute for the profit or loss. Then I posted it in my screen on my YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the videos. I have actually so many videos in here, you can see, right? There are a lot of videos. So if this is your first time seeing this YouTube channel, please help me in looking for subscribers, right? There's so many videos in here. Okay, that's it. I even have videos on this one when I had my Bell's palsy. Look at that.
YouTube is the #1 site for millions of creators online.
By the way,
but as more people flood to the platform, it's getting harder for your content to stand out from the crowd. That's where Sprizzy can help. Meet Tim, the lead singer of his band. Tim dreams of touring the globe and playing for...
My office is now being monetized. I was able to hit the minimum requirements of YouTube. So I hope I can, maintain the status or even increase it. All right. So that's it. I'd love to share my in here. As of now, I do have 1,226 subscribers, and all my videos are actually, it's being monetized. If you can see, right, this one, okay, the video is being monetized. So all videos, right? I have so many videos in here. All right, so that's it. This is the dashboard of my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're planning to have a YouTube channel, and then eventually your plan is for monetization, it takes a lot of hard work. You have to take the challenge, because that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is not easy to get in, right? So okay, so that's it. And the one taking the video, that's me. Sariling sikap. Right. So money, I don't have any. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I just love to share my working area, the place wherein I did a lot of, hours for uploading videos to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now. God bless you.